class 10, exercise number 6.1, question number 9. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P and secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to Q, then prove that Q into P square minus 1 is equal to 2 times of P. Here that is the given terms, right? We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Solution, in here LHS, I take in the LHS side is Q into P square minus 1. Now in the place of Q is given as secant theta plus cosecant theta. So secant theta plus cosecant theta into, in the place of P is sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1. Right? That is the LHS side. Now here secant is nothing but 1 by cos. 1 by cos theta plus cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin theta into, see it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means we can write in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? In the place of a is sin, b is cos. So a square is sin square theta plus b square is cos square theta plus 2 times of sin theta cos theta, and here we have minus 1. Now by the identity we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to value 1. Right? Here we take the LHS side. Here we have to take the LCM. The denominators are not equal, so multiply the term first cos theta sin theta, cross multiply 1 into sin theta is sin theta plus 1 into cos theta is cos theta. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is value 1 by the identity, plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 both are cancelled. Then sin theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta into 2 times of sin theta into cos theta. Right? Either you can use the bracket or use the symbols. Here sin is cancelled, cos is cancelled. So we have 2 times of sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta is nothing but P. Sin theta plus cos theta is nothing but P. So this is equal to 2 times of P, that is RHS side. Hence proved. Next we see the Roman number 2. If sin theta into 1 plus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, then prove that cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 4 cos square theta is equal to 4. So we have to show that this term, convert this term into this term, that LHS equal to RHS. We have to prove that. By using the given term, we are going to prove the cos. Right? Solution, the given term is sin theta into 1 plus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Now listen, we have to prove that all the terms are into a cos. So wherever we have the sin, try to convert into a cos. Here we have sin as it is, we cannot be able to change it into cos. So as it is 1 plus, here it is the sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, right? So we need sin square, means I take this cos square to another side. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So we get that cos. So in the place of sin square theta, I am going to replace the value 1 minus cos square theta is equal to cos square theta. Right? Next step, sin theta 1 plus 1 is 2 minus cos square theta is equal to cos square theta. Next, this term only we have to change into cos. So we want to change, means we need the square. So squaring on both sides. When we squaring on both sides, here we have sin square theta into 2 minus cos square theta whole square is equal to cos power 4 theta. Cos square theta whole square is nothing but cos power 4 theta. right? Squaring on both sides means sin square theta 2 minus cos square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square means we get cos power 4 theta. Next again sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta into, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means we have a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now applying this formula here, in the place of a is 2, in the place of b is cos square theta. So a square is 4 plus b square is cos power 4 theta. Cos square theta whole square means cos power 4 theta minus 2 into 2 means 4b, 4ab minus 2ab, 2 into 2 is 4 and then cos square theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. Now multiple this term, binomial into binomial. By the algebraic terms we know that how to multiple. So 1 into this term, 1 into 4 is 4 plus 1 into cos power 4 is cos power 4 plus 1 minus, right, plus and minus is minus 1 into 4 cos square theta. Now multiple this term, minus into minus cos square theta into 4 is 4 cos square theta, minus into plus minus cos square into cos power 4 is cos power 6 theta, minus into minus plus cos square theta into cos square theta means here already we have 4, cos square theta into cos square theta is cos power 4 theta. This term is equal to the RHS side is cos power 4 theta. Now add the same variables. Here we see, here we have cos power 4 theta, here also we have cos power 4 theta. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Here already we have 4 plus 5 cos power 4 theta. Here we have cos square, here also we have cos square. So both having negative symbol, minus 8 cos square theta. The remaining term is here minus cos power 6 theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. Now I take the term my cos power 4 to this side means we get 4 plus 5 cos power 4 theta minus 8 cos square theta minus cos power 6 theta minus cos power 4 theta is equal to 0. Now see, here we have 5 cos power 4, here we have 1 cos power 4, that is subtraction means we get 4 plus 4 cos power 4 theta minus 8 cos square theta minus cos power 6 theta is equal to 0. Now except the constant term 4, the remaining terms I take to another side means, if I take the whole term to another side means we get that by order, I write in the order means here we have cos power 6 theta minus, if I take another side means we get cos power plus cos power 6 theta. Next cos power 4, here we have plus symbol, if I take to another side means we get minus 4 cos power 4 theta. Here we have negative symbol, if I take another side means we get plus 8 cos square theta, the remaining term is 4. These terms are taking to another side. Imagine if you take this term means you are getting that symbol changed. Here we have 4. I write in the correct form. So this is we want to prove that hence proved. Now compare this, cos power 6 minus 4 cos power 4 plus 8 cos square theta is equal to 4, right? See, cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta is equal to 4. So hence the proof. Thank you, students.